Hey, hello kids! This is lesson 7, English alphabet sound. Repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go! A, ape. A, ape. A, ape. 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 B, bear. B, bear. B, bear. 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 C, centipede. C, centipede. C, centipede. 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 D, deer. D, deer. D, deer. 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 E, eagle. E, eagle. E, eagle. 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 F, fish. F, fish. F, fish. 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 G, giraffe. G, giraffe. G, giraffe. 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 H, horse. H, horse. H, horse. 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 I, ice cream. I, ice cream. I, ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. J, juice. J, juice. J, juice. 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 K, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. 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 L, lake. L, lake. L, lake. 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 M, map. M, map. M, map. 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 N, necklace. N, necklace. N, necklace. 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 O, orange. O, orange. O, orange. Orange, orange. P, panda. P, panda. P, panda. Panda, panda. Q, quail. Q, quail. Q, quail. Quail, quail. R, rabbit. R, rabbit. R, rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. S, sheep. S, sheep. S, sheep. Sheep, sheep. T, turtle. T, turtle. T, turtle. Turtle, turtle. U, ukulele. U, ukulele. U, ukulele. Ukulele, ukulele. V, violin. V, violin. V, violin. Violin, violin. W, watermelon. W, watermelon. W, watermelon. Watermelon, watermelon. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. Xylophone, xylophone. Y, yacht. Y, yacht. Y, yacht. Yacht, yacht. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Zebra.
Yeah!
That's very good. Now tell me the letter and the word. Alright? What letter is it? For example, you say A, ape. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go! What letter is it? Good job! B, bear. Very good. Alright, next. What letter is it? Good job! C, centipede. Centipede. What letter is it? Very good. D, deer. D, deer. That's good. What letter is it? E, eagle. That's good. What letter is it? Good job. F, fish. F, fish. Very good. What letter is it? That's good. G, giraffe. What letter is it? That's good. H, horse. Good job. What letter is it? Good job. I, ice cream. Your favorite. Next, what letter is it? Good job. J, juice. Wow. What letter is it? That's very good. K, kangaroo. What letter is it? Good job. L, lake. What letter is it? Very good. M, map. What letter is it? Good job. N, necklace. What letter is it? Good job. O, orange. What letter is it? Good job. P, panda. What letter is it? That's good. Q, quail. What letter is it? Good job. R, rabbit. Very good. What letter is it? That's awesome. S, sheep. Good job. What letter is it? That's very good. T, turtle. What letter is it? Very good. U, ukulele. What letter is it? Good job. V, violin. What letter is it? That's awesome. W, watermelon. What letter is it? That's good. X, xylophone. What letter is it?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Y, yacht.
Wow.
What letter is it? Very good. Z, zebra. That's awesome. Wow. That's wonderful. Very good English. Good job, kids. So, that's all for now. I will see you in the next lesson. Okay? Bye for now. Goodbye. See you.